So I know the quality is suck right now. It's like really bad, and it's really bad. So today, before we even get to the video, do what? Make sure I get this big thumbs up, like, share this video right now. What? I'm saying the outro. What the heck? Before we even get to
my glove. Do I have to have a glove on?
No.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good, but you don't need to have.
I just don't know if I gotta cut my hand.
Oh, word.
Alright.
I'm trying to make sure my hair.
I think it's glove over here.
And my neck's white right here.
Oh. Alright, ready? Yeah. That's all right, ready, set. Come on, Mom.
Oh.
Wait, come in a little bit more.
Okay.
Alright, ready, set. There you go. Hey guys, making another video for you guys. And today we have a seafood boil right here prepared for y'all. Alright? But before we get into the video, make sure I give this big thumbs up and like, share this video, and we're gonna get to this video. Yeah. First, let them introduce themselves. Go ahead, introduce yourself. Who y'all are?
I'm
Alana, period. Go ahead, babe.
I'm Faye.
I'm Mom.
Whatever. Stop playing with them.
Oh. Okay. I'm ready to eat.
Okay.
Can we eat though? I'm ready to.
Okay, well, come on.
Come on, get the video a little bit.
I'm in.
Alright.
Face moving.
Alright, come over.
Okay.
I am.
There we go.
Okay.
Give me a plate so we can enjoy our food. Alright, for anyone. Mom, you pass her one, please, because you
Oh, sorry.
What are you laughing about? Alright, let's go eat.
Come on, what you want? Mom, this is the shrimp that's not
that's
spicy.
the Nile. Yeah, it's not spicy. You already know because you're going to do spicy on it. So, y'all, we got
Thank you
some.
for touching my corn. Thank you.
So, y'all, we got some shrimp, some crab legs, some corn, some potatoes, like all the mix. Okay? Stop playing with them. So, right here, we're going to be talking about how's online school going.
Yeah. How is school going?
Yeah.
You know, what y'all think about how the new school requirements are?
Well, all I gotta say is that
we ain't even bless
these schools are crazy.
Bless
period.
The school, bless the school.
Oh,
sorry about that.
Bless this food. Bless this food, Lord Jesus.
Yes, y'all. Yes.
Amen to the gods. All right. You gonna start with one of y'all high school?
Sheba, get down.
Yeah, y'all gonna hear Sheba.
How y'all food on?
No.
How is school?
School's good, but
I'm about to say, tell the truth.
two of my teachers just get on my nerves. I don't care.
Well, hopefully they don't watch this, you know.
Man, if I'm not saying, because I'm not gonna be mean to my teachers.
Little girl, don't be like that. You know you want to beat the teacher up.
No, I do.
Period. Say it to her face.
Period, Pep.
Oh, stop playing with them.
Period.
Yeah, period.
Okay.
So how the food is?
I think I might like the spicy better.
My this is rice is really good.
The mild is like regular.
You can come over to the spicy. You already know the spicy is better than the mild.
Spice World.
This food's Kawakin.
Okay, about a house school.
Good. Right now in the video, Mom.
Oh, sorry, Mom.
About a how it's school.
Dude, my school was great.
Well, that's
Period,
good.
poo-poo.
Mom, tell everybody you from the hood. West side, baby.
That's not baby. Yeah.
New York, from the Brooks.
I'm from the Brookendale, Brooklyn. It's like, no.
Looking down H-Town, up down to the city. You go to the side to the city, you gonna see my life.
Oh, we was about to rhyme, huh? I don't want to reach over you, but.
Oh my, you got to do that song.
What the heck? They got the laugh, y'all. I don't know what it is. They got me in here eating.
Baby.
They got me out here eating. I ain't gonna say it.
Don't say it.
I'm not.
Straight to the CC. Straight to the CC.
It's like, no.
Straight to the CC.
Hey, Geeky. Hey, Geeky. the
Yeah, Sheba.
Sheba, no.
My poo poo wants some food down here, but she can't
No.
eat it.
So
She's
school
right
going
there.
for me,
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Mama.
I would say it's going good so far. It's the beginning, so you know what I'm saying. You don't get those A's in the beginning, but when it get to the middle, I don't know about that one, but like.
But at least you're starting off, you know, good start.
Now, how
Okay.
is school going?
School is, this telecommunications class is a little bit more complicated than I expected.
What?
But I'm doing it.
Period.
Because, you know, I wanted something different. I wanted a different career. You know, instead of wiping butts, you know, I want to connect some wires. Connect some phones, you know, hooking Wi-Fi and stuff like that. You know, maybe my own business. You know, that's really what I'm doing it for, y'all. Work for yourself.
Work for yourself. Don't get a boss.
Yeah, but it's cool, you know. I'm excited. I'm proud of myself, you know, putting my toe in a different. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's good. You know, I'm not even gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna try.
If you complain, then you're gonna get it done.
Like period, bro.
Like I used to.
Pretty much. Wow. Okay. I didn't know it was like this.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was like this, but it's cool. It's fun. The corn is pretty good.
It's lit or whatever. May y'all say it's lit or whatever?
It's lit or whatever.
It's lit or whatever.
Yeah.
That's funny.
You can't even see my plate.
My moon is over.
You better see my mom.
Come on.
Okay. We're gonna be all like this.
Bunch.
Yo, I'm sorry for the light, y'all. I don't understand. I can't find a piece of my ring, so we gotta use this little tiny light.
Hey, that's what life is. You improvise. You know
The better the ghetto the better.
Oh, come on,
Yeah. No, she didn't, y'all. Okay.
I was just I was just table. I was on this.
Good looking. Yeah.
Good job, brother.
Yeah.
Good job, brother. Yeah, bro.
That's my boo.
We got some more light in here.
Yeah.
Trying to sweat a little bit.
You like the food, mother?
Yeah.
It's good.
It's pretty good. I mean, you know, I'm more of a salmon woman, but
But they didn't have salmon.
you know, shrimp and lobster tails. Sheba, get it on there.
Lobster tail.
Miss, it's not.
Oh, crabs?
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
Ma'am.
Crabs.
You supposed to wear seafood here.
Yeah. What y'all getting for?
Ah. Show.
Y'all gonna make me choke on my corn, my kernel. Yeah, pretty good. I like the corn though.
Yeah. They come from that spot. It's really delicious.
Yeah.
It's not overcooked. It's not.
It's just right.
Anybody
What?
see that? Not.
I'm gonna zoom in on her.
Anybody see
I'm
that?
finna zoom in.
Never talk with your mouth full.
It's dirty.
So,
Got any questions for your daughters?
how do you think the rest of this year is gonna be like for yourself individually? Go.
So far, 2020 has been a good year. To be honest.
Yeah.
All the people that say it's been a bad year, I don't know what you've been at. It's good for you too because you still here living, okay?
Right, too.
I'm here living, you know, doing what I do.
And we ain't faking it either, so, you know. Life is what you make it.
Yep.
And if you want it to be great, it can be great.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? You got to want it to be great, though. You can't just think it. You got to put action to it. You know what I'm saying? And change is good.
Sure is.
You know what I mean? You can't always, like, be doing the same old thing year after year after year after year. You got to, like, switch up the game. You Now, how do I open this? I gotta bite this.
Oh,
You break it.
break it in half. Break it in half. Let's go. Let's go. Break it. Hey!
Thank you. Thank you. Ooh. I like the crab better.
Like the crab?
Wait. You see that white stuff on it?
Yeah.
What?
Just take that off.
Okay, what's the white stuff?
I don't know, but
Yeah,
it is a fat, I think.
oh, I'm about to say is
Yeah,
I'm
I
not supposed-
was about to say, I eat it.
I don't know.
oh,
Nothing wrong with it.
my particular daughters.
Around, I gotta do
Dip
the
the
most.
sauce, dip it,
I'm getting
dip
full.
it.
Alright. You getting full, Pooh?
No,
No.
I'm just getting started.
Oh,
Let's-
get started.
Ooh, that's hot.
Let's get it started in here. Okay,
About to
something
do
is
some
something
that
is
one
not
straight
spicy.
to
Mommy wants it spicy, but it's really not.
straight to the back of the throat, cause y'all eat spicy stuff like
Yeah,
Like all
we
the
eat
time.
rice all the
We
time.
Chinese. Too far. Too far. Too far. Too far. Too far.
Okay.
Guys. Spicy.
Mom, is it really? It's not that spicy.
No, it just went to the back of my throat like bam.
Oh.
It like smacked me
surprised
back
you.
there. Yeah, cause my
Okay, I see.
my eyes is glittery a little bit.
I see what you
Sheba, no. Sorry,
Y'all,
guys.
she was trying to get on the table.
Right. Get down.
Look,
you
she
ain't
looked
getting
at look.
none.
She looked at Zai like
No.
I'm trying to do something. No, mamas. Just wait. I got you when we done.
Look at what?
Cats.
She on it.
Ooh. No, she didn't.
She knows she's not gonna do it.
Yeah. Zai, can you get old
Big
girl?
behind here like a freaking caterpillar.
Ooh. She better
Y'all,
stop
she was a
playing.
caterpillar.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try another shrimp.
But yeah, y'all, we've been good over here doing school. Not much,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Traveling a little bit here and there, you know, as cautious and comfortably as we can.
Yeah.
We travel. Yes, we do.
Okay,
Because
Mom,
you
you can get
can.
another corn if you want. You want another corn, Mom? What?
Oh, that's the game. Okay.
Oh,
Mom, you want another corn?
Okay.
You can have another corn if you want.
I'm gonna take the hot one. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, spicy. Forgot.
Thank you. Yeah, but we're gonna definitely leave 2020.
It's a prank!
Okay.
We get ratchet.
Oh, that was
Yeah.
being ratchet prank.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I couldn't even tell.
Mom, it's not like that.
I mean, it's like I'm just playing. It's a prank.
So when we get that ratchet, wow, Mom.
No, y'all not
No,
ratchet.
we
y'all,
no, we
y'all
not ever
beautiful.
call you Pooh.
I don't know. I was like, ooh, that's my new nickname.
Poo-poo. Poo-poo.
We gotta get a prank up here. You already know.
Right.
It can't be a regular mukbang dog.
Yeah, but we're gonna end this year with a positive bang, shebang, bang,
Shabang kadang gang.
and you know, have 2021 coming in even
Strong
better,
and positive.
even better. My earring on my nose. I'm trying to. Okay, straight. Now I'm trying to move my earring.
So,
Whew.
what
So what y'all playing for my
Mommy's birthday.
Your
birthday.
birthday. So, y'all.
Oh, can somebody guess my age?
Yes, that's it.
Y'all,
guess
that's
my
her age.
age?
Give me her. How old y'all think my mom is?
If you get it correct, you
And
win.
be honest.
If you get it correct, you just win.
You be a winner.
Yeah, we'll
By the way, y'all, her birthday is October the 5th.
October the 5th. Put on your calendar.
She a Libra.
10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5. Okay.
I'm cool.
Can't
I'm
find.
really,
Can't
really
find. Can't find.
I feel like y'all should have something else other than this.
I know. We missing something. I
Like,
feel like we missing something.
So this is all this comes in this?
Yes.
Are you gonna try potatoes?
Yeah, I had one.
Oh, y'all. Y'all, this is meat we eating. So we're gonna be at pescatarian. What's it called?
Yeah, what you said?
Pescatarian. What's the thing is when they only eat seafood?
Pedestrian.
A pedestrian, something like
Whatever.
that.
Yeah.
We're not eating meat like
But we've
beef.
been doing that though.
Yeah, beef, pork, none of that.
Chicken.
We got
Yeah,
you, homeboy.
chicken.
We got you.
Yeah. Who I'm full. Well, I think we're gonna end it here, y'all, because I'm actually really full.
Okay.
And my mom not full because I know she's gonna still be hungry after this. She's gonna get salad or something.
You already know.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you get the big thumbs up.
Salad.
Like, share this video right
Thumb us up. You know what I mean? Give up our props.
Like this video right now because I'm playing with you.
Send the questions. You know what I'm saying? How old do you think I am?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody's channel's gonna be late in the description.
And the description, Faithful Lexi with 2 A's.
Yeah, and everybody gonna be in the description.
Mine.12. What's mommy's?
Huh?
Cooper Mommy 8. Cooper Mommy 8. Her YouTube channel.
Oh, Tiny Be Great.
YouTube.
Oh, my YouTube channel is
Well, all the
Mine
links
is
gonna
Tiny
be
Be
in the
Great.
description. And sorry, y'all came
Tiny Be
here.
Great?
I came here looking really
Tiny
great.
Be Great.
Tiny Be Great.
As always, in my videos, all I want you to do is be yourself and be real. Peace. Bye.
Peace. Peace. Deuces.
Peace, mommy.
That was 17 minutes.
Peace,
Summer.
daddy, mommy.
That's Sheba. That's Sheba.
Peace.
What do she got down there?
What did she
I
got?
love you, mommy.
She got a motherfucking piece
Crab leg?
of crab thing.
Oh,
Get that from?
I don't know. She stole it from somewhere.
I got
You
food
hear
off the food fast. Hey,
You good?
I got food off the food fast.
Mm-hmm. Really good. We got a lot of food left.
Those little people.
Yup. It could be there.
Like, you want some?
Well, I put pizza bites
Oh, yeah.
on.
Nah,
But, you know, it's a little extra.
Yeah.
Do Ernie eat? I don't know. Do Ernie eat?
No, you seen is nasty.
You making it. I love you, mommy.
I love you, Mo.
I love you. So, I'm going to be eating some seafood. So, I'm going to show you guys. Got some crab.
Yeah. These crabs are really good. The last one. Who am I
My
stomach?
finger. Oh, we still recording my phone.
Oh yeah, hey y'all, hey, what it do, what it do, what it do, hey, what it do, what it do, what it do.
I know we didn't answer your question about what we doing for your birthday, but we can't tell you. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can't not tell you.
I don't believe I'm licking my fingers. This must be good. Because I don't normally lick my fingers. You know what I'm saying? Not from no food.
It's good.
Only that's
And I don't eat seafood like that. And this is pretty good.
And if people in St. Louis.
I mean, it got me sweating a little bit, but you know.
Right now.
What it do, what it do, what it do.
Please don't pop that on me, young Joe. Be cleanliness. Be clean. Be clean.
All this meat.
Who am I stomach good? They better not be recorded.
So this is how we pop it.
I didn't give me a water. 13.
Can you open one of them legs for me?
Here.
Oh, word.
Got you.
Be good.
All right, later. Yeah, the crab legs were good today.
Yeah, I like them.
I like the all of it.
Yeah, me too. I enjoyed it.
Crab leg.
Yep, crab leg.
It's a prank.
I love you more, young boy. I love you
So
more.
you want some more? I mean, you want some?
Go get my finger burned.
Well, guys,
Come
this is what we do.
We
My first, what is this? My first
Yes,
mukbang.
my first mukbang.
Our first
And,
seafood.
Yes.
yeah,
Actually, no,
seafood.
it's not. Remember that prank you did, Mommy?
Oh, yeah.
This is second.
When I say I got
Second
better one,
mukbang,
yeah.
but
No.
yeah.
The other
Yeah.
one.
I mean, it'll be better because
Because
I gotta get all the technique, gadgets and stuff they use. But you know, I tried.
Oh, yeah,
I tried. We tried. We did it. We did
That
it.
was so ghetto.
So thank you for watching
Yeah,
and
especially
sending them
it's
questions.
fair.
Bye, you guys. Bye.
Always blessed to be no.
bless.
Yeah, bless. You know what I'm saying? Too blessed for the stress. All right, that's our motto. We ain't stressing nothing. You heard me? But be good to yourself, be good to others, and you know, we gonna be posting other stuff. We don't know what we're gonna post yet, but we
Some more
gonna be posting.
mukbangs or, you know,
Have a lovely night. Take care of yourself. Be safe, and
Peace out.
yeah, I'm saying.
Peace out. I'm good. Yeah. I'm done.